And then the last use case I just want people to be aware of is taxes and their point of sale. This is very, very important. Every single state's tax structure is different. There can be cumulative, there can be compounding, there can be exclusions. Every single county and state and city might also have different requirements for their taxes, such as a percentage of those taxes, or we've also seen every single transaction, there's just a dollar fee or $250 fee for each transaction. And that is just going to depend on your state, your county, and your city. So when you are looking for a point of sale, especially when you start talking about delivery workflows and different transactions that need to occur, and especially if you have multiple retail locations across a state or across multiple different states, this is a big area that you need to grill your third-party technology solution on. You need to make sure that you have examples of every single which way these taxes could be applied. This is a huge compliance risk that we see way too many times, especially with delivery becoming more and more involved. You just need to make sure that while you're finding the right point of sale for your retail operation, you need to ensure that every single which way taxes can be applied are 100% compliant and validated with actual use cases, examples, and live time demonstration from the point of sale companies.